Hi, my name is Maria Fernanda Mercados. Today I am going to present my speaking test. In less than a year, I will be doing my anthropology degree at the University of Antioquia. By 2022, I will be living in the city of Medellin where I study. In about 6 years, I will have finished my degree. For 8 years from now, I will start traveling the world while studying. By 2029, I will have to live in Rome, Italy. In 10 years, I will have finished a master's degree and will be pursued a doctor. By 2031 will have my giant house. In 10 years, I will drive my own car through the stream of Rome. By 2031, I will not have married with children. In fact, I will never have children. In 10 years, I will have been traveling with my family and they will be grown. Thank you.